get the pearl. It depends on each type of oyster. Like for the Aquaria, it takes about 3 years. For the Tahiti, 5 to 7 years. And South Sea, it takes around 7 to 9 years. That's why in Hanoi, sometimes you can see that they're selling the pearl, a chain of pearl about 300, 200,000 Vietnam dollars. For sure it's a fake one. Because at least 3 years to make one single pearl cannot be that cheap. Yeah. So first, they make the fake pearl from plastic, and it's very easy to recognize. You burn it and it turns to black. Yeah. So after that, they use the pearl powder to press it. So it's like the real one, but it's not the real one because it's easy to be broken. Yeah. They cannot make the pearl round. They cannot round it because the pearl was created by a lot of layers. If you round it, it means that you're cracking the layers of the pearl. Yeah, that's why they have to choose it like this. In 100% implanted oyster, 70% will be dead or kick the core out. Only 30% has pearl. If 30% has pearl, 20% has not good quality. Yeah, so they use it for the pearl powder, for the pearl cream. You know that? It's very good for the lady's skin. The pearl cream, pearl powder. Yeah, 20% has not good quality. Only 10% has good quality. They separate it to the different quality. They use letter A for the quality of the pearl. 1A means that the low quality, and 4A it means the best quality in here. It depends on the shape of the oyster. Depends on the color, yeah, of the oyster to separate it. So you can see this is a South Sea. The biggest pearl you get from South Sea is around 22 millimeter. It's very big. This one is the Tahiti or the black pearl oyster, and this is the Aquaria. Yeah. So let's come this way.
We cut a small line on the oyster reproductive organ. Then we put one piece of red tissue in one core, just one only, to get us one pearl from one oyster. You know, for silver oysters like this, it just give only one pearl at a time, no more than one. If you have seen there's a lot of pearls from one oyster, those are the freshwater pearls from the lakes or rivers. One freshwater mussel, they give about 30 pearls in less than 6 months, but for silver pearl, only one pearl after 2 to 5 years. So that's the difference between freshwater and silver pearl. Yeah. Can you guess the success rate of this implantation? Can you guess? Success rate, like how much percentage? 60. It's lower than just around 30%. Around 30%. Because a lot of oyster, they will take this core, they try to spit the core out. Okay, they will try to spit the core out. And yeah, after this step, we bring the oyster back to the ocean in the net here. Back to the ocean for 2 to 5 years to get a final pearl. And during that time, we keep coming back and check them every single month. Every month we come back and check them. Yeah. And now we go this way to the last step here. This is harvesting. Come this way, please.